an amazing dark mode theme that everyone should have on our Facebook Messenger application. Hello YouTube, what's going on? This is me, your host vmsulthan, back with another quick video. Today I'll be showing you how to turn on the dark mode theme on your Facebook Messenger application. As the Facebook is still testing this feature, you cannot just turn it on by a single tap. Instead, you want to perform a simple trick. Also, this trick works for iOS and Android users as well. So let's waste any more time and see what you have to do. Open up the Messenger application. Then just head over to any of your friends' chat and basically you want to send a message to it. So you want to send this specific emoji, the crescent moon emoji. So as soon as you click the send button, you should see this moon animation and a pop-up window like this. Now head over to the settings by tapping here, and now you just need to turn on the new option that says dark mode. Just don't worry if that pop-up window or the moon animation doesn't show up for you. Tapping on your profile picture also take you to this settings section and then you can turn it on. So as I said before, the Facebook is still testing this feature and that means not everyone can experience the dark mode yet. Nonetheless, just give it a try and let me know if you have the feature. Anyway guys, if you found this video helpful, leave a like and share this info to your friends and family, and make sure you are the first person to share this info to your friends and family. Till next time, stay connected and be ready for a new content. Have a great day my dear friends.